Good evening and welcome to the news. I'm Dinesh Rentley. Here are today's top stories. Prime Minister Modi flags off Secunderabad Visakhapatnam Vande Bharat Express. 75th Army Day is being celebrated today. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma inaugurates the curtain raiser for Courtyard by Marriott, the state's second five-star hotel. And telecom operator Bharti Airtel rolls out the latest 5G services in Shillong. The news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today said Vande Bharat Express is a symbol of the potential of New India, which is on the path of rapid change. Flagging off the Vande Bharat Express train connecting Secunderabad with Visakhapatnam through video conferencing, Modi said it will enhance ease of living, boost tourism and benefit the economy. He added the Vande Bharat Express is going to connect the culturally diverse Telangana and Andhra Pradesh regions. The Prime Minister said, designed in India and made in India, Vande Bharat Express is Desh ki train.
नए भारत के संकल्पों और सामर्थ्य का प्रतीक है। ये उस भारत का प्रतीक है जो तेज बदलाव के रास्ते पर चल पड़ा है।
The Chief of Army Staff General Manoj Pandey has said that the Indian Army is modernizing weapons and infrastructure, improving its processes and systems, adopting advanced technologies and partnering with industries to develop indigenous weapons and equipment to meet present and future challenges. Addressing the 75th Army Day celebrations in Bengaluru today, the Army Chief said that the Army is ready to tackle any contingency along the Indian borders. He pointed out that a strong defense posture and the use of anti-drone technology has acted as a countermeasure against cross-border terrorism and insurgency.
उत्तरी सीमावर्ती इलाकों में स्थिति सामान्य रही है और स्थापित प्रोटोकॉल्स और मौजूदा मैकेनिज्म के माध्यम से शांति बनाए रखने के लिए आवश्यक कदम उठाए गए हैं। लाइन ऑफ एक्चुअल कंट्रोल पर एक मजबूत डिफेंस पोस्चर बरकरार रखते हुए हम किसी भी कॉन्टिंजेंसी से निपटने के लिए पूरी तरह तैयार हैं।
Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma on Saturday inaugurated the curtain raiser for Courtyard by Marriott, the state's second five-star hotel and arguably the biggest hotel in the entire northeast region. The Chief Minister added that this will give impetus to Meghalaya's tourism potential by providing tourists an opportunity to immerse in the beauty and serenity of Meghalaya in comfort and luxury. After a few formalities with Marriott, the project will formally start. The state government earlier signed a 30-year agreement with Maxim Infrastructure and Real Estate Private Limited for completing the project. Marriott Hotels and Resorts is Marriott International's brand of full-service hotels and resorts based in Bethesda, Maryland.
Left that have to be completed with the Marriott Group. This project has been promoted by Maxim Infrastructure, and I would like to congratulate the entire team of Maxim Infrastructure for completing this project, and this will definitely raise the standards of the entire tourism sector in the entire state and the entire region, as this is the biggest hotel in terms of the number of rooms in the entire northeast region.
Meghalaya Home Minister Lakshman Rimboe, while speaking to the media after the induction ceremony of Mega Shakti at Maoyong on Saturday, said, "This is a beginning. As you are aware, we have taken the decision that SF-10 will be a lateral entry for the force now. All these women personnel are from different battalions and different streams of the police force. This is the first step and I hope it will continue in the future. This is a part of attending to the needs of the situation. Policing is not very easy. We have to be alert and have a team to deal with any situation that could arise due to law and order or other such issues," he added.
I now invite.
So this is the beginning. As you have aware that we have taken decision that as of then we are it will be a lateral entry for the force there. So now you have heard that all these women police force, they are from different from battalion, from different police departments. So this is the first step, and I hope that will be continued in the future.
Airtel 5G services will be made available to customers in a phased manner as the company continues to construct its network and complete the rollout. Customers with 5G enabled devices will enjoy high-speed network at no extra cost and is currently operational at Laitmkra, Lapalang, Nongra, Governor's House, Lumauba, Jayao Light Dom, Pines Colony, Laban Red Cross, Maupat, Riyadh Soklur and a few other locations. Speaking at the launch, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma said that he hopes Airtel will be able to cover the rest of the state for people to enjoy high-speed internet services and to enable the government to provide citizen-centric services and other services like healthcare, agriculture and in a better manner.
They are the first providers to have started the 5G services, and I hope that very soon they will be able to cover the rest of the state, and the people of Shillong and the people of Meghalaya will be able to enjoy high-speed 5G services to provide citizen-centric services in a much better manner. And many other services like healthcare, agriculture and other services will also be helped by the 5G services.
Leader of opposition and former Chief Minister Mukul Sangma has said that there is a need for a proper investigation into the failure of the NPP-led MDA government to start legal mining of coal in the state. Dr. Mukul Sangma said for reasons best known to the people in the government and to the Chief Minister, who is holding the portfolio of mining and geology, has not done anything to facilitate this whole resumption of mining, or rather start mining in conformity with various statutory laws. He alleged that the MDA government, instead of going all out based on the promises that they have made, do not want to see legal mining begin.
And therefore, the state government has been pulled up. They didn't want to see a legal mining starting. This is something which requires proper investigation under the backdrop of innumerable, repeated, alleged irregularities and alleged illegal coal mining taking place across the state, including illegal transportation, at the cost of the interest of the state and the people.
And now let's look at the weather. The maximum temperature was 15.4 degrees Celsius with the minimum temperature at 6 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity in the morning was 59%, rising to 87% in the evening. Forecast tells us dry weather is most likely. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune in to our daily bulletin. And now for a quick recap of today's headlines. Prime Minister Modi flags off Secunderabad-Visakhapatnam Vande Bharat Express. The 75th Army Day is being celebrated today. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma inaugurates the curtain raiser for Courtyard by Marriott, the state's second five-star hotel. And telecom operator Bharat Airtel rolls out the latest 5G services in Shillong. That's all the news we have for you today. Thank you for watching. We'll be back same time tomorrow. Have a good evening.